Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're showing you how to flush the DNS resolver cache. You might be wondering, why would I need to flush the DNS resolver cache? Well, over time, your computer's DNS resolver cache collects information about domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. Occasionally, this cache can become outdated or corrupted, leading to connectivity issues, slow browsing, or the inability to access certain websites. By flushing the DNS resolver cache, you can clear out this stored information and start fresh, resolving any potential problems. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to flush DNS resolver cache for Windows 11 using the ipconfig command. Click the Start button, then type CMD in the search bar. Click on Run as administrator the command prompt app. Type ipconfig/flush DNS command into the Windows terminal. Press the Enter key. When it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, you can close the Windows terminal. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. We appreciate your support.